Good morning and welcome to our kitchen. Today I'll be making my great-grandmother's white cake recipe for my science project. For your first step, you want to make sure that your oven is clear with the center rack. Then you want to preheat to 350 degrees. For your second step, you want to grease and flour 8 to 9 inch round pans for your cake. For our next step, we will be combining all of our ingredients, including 2 1/4 cup flour, 1 2/3 cup sugar, 2/3 cup shortening, 1 1/4 cup milk, 3 1/2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 5 egg whites. All of these ingredients have been pre-measured. You will now combine all of your ingredients except for egg whites. Starting with flour. Then your sugar. You'll need a spatula for your shortening. Now you will beat on high for 2 minutes. Okay. After you are done, you will now add in your egg whites. You will do the same and beat for another 2 minutes. When you're done, you want to finish and separate. For our next step, you want to separate the batter that you just made in the two cake pans. Whatever. Can't really redo this now.
You're almost done.
Now that you are done, now for your final step, you are gonna put in your trays into the center rack for 30 to 35 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Now we wait. Finally, for your last step, now you want to turn off the oven and get your gloves, put them on, and carefully take the pan out. Trust me, it is hot. And so, this is what it looks like. Now, if you can see, before it was like all a goopy batter. And now it is turned brown and it is hot and soft. That is a chemical reaction. Also, when I was mixing with the spoon and the beater, that is also not a chemical reaction, but it is a physical change. So now you can see that these are fully done. Thank you.